Alright, here's my 52-inch Halsey ceiling fan. This is the one that was in my room, but this spotlight kit came from my mom's room fan. So here's the light. Pull it first time, the two come on. Pull it second time, the other two come on. Pull again, all four come on. Which I think this is unique with it. I really like this fan. But it was in my room earlier, but had the Schoolhouse light kit on it. So yeah, I'll turn this thing on low. This fan is quite powerful too, but it was quite noisy in my room for a while. It's just the motor humming a lot. That's what the problem is. That's why I took it down to replace it with the 44-inch Hampton Bay Wellston. But I like this fan a lot, though. It was been in my room since when I first came over to Grandma's house, and that was my room. So I like this fan the most. One of them, because I used to play around with it when I was a little toddler. So this is why I like this fan too. But it was in my room, but it's very powerful though. But it just makes a lot of humming noise. So here's low, medium. Now you can hear the hum. It's a pretty cool fan. And here's high. You know, hums a lot. Still pushes a great amount of air for what it is. See, I rigged it up like that. And turn on the light. With the 4 lights on, you can see the fan on high. I'll turn the sawing off. Thank you for watching. More videos to come.